Good? Okay.
Sorry. Hi, my name is Sam, and I'm going to play Can You Anatomy.
Before we begin, we've got a couple questions for you. When you were in grade school, did you do well in science class?
I did not do well in science class. My sisters, they love science. One of them is a forensic scientist, and she works with DNA, and the other one is a major in microbiology, so they all science.
Did you ever dissect anything in biology
I
class?
have, absolutely. I dissected a pig, cat, squirrel.
Is that legal?
That's legal, absolutely.
Did you ever want to be a doctor?
No, I did not. Maybe if it's for a movie role, absolutely, I'll be a doctor.
You could be my doctor. Did you ever have to go to the ER when you were younger?
The ER, I've been plenty times for feeling sick. I never got stitches. I never broke anything, knock on wood. But no, not really, not for serious conditions.
Okay, great. Are you ready to play?
Absolutely, let's play.
Here are your questions. The colored part of the human eye that controls how much light passes through the pupil is called the what?
The what? Pupils. Cornea.
It's actually the iris.
The iris.
Like a flower.
Iris.
Okay, true or false? The two chambers at the bottom of your heart are called ventricles.
This is 50-50 true.
Ding, ding, ding. You got it. All right, the bones around your chest that protect organs, such as the heart, are called what?
Ribs.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Do you also like to eat ribs?
No, I do not. I don't like ribs.
Oh, okay.
Maybe beef.
What is the human body's biggest organ?
Skin.
What tissue connects muscles to bone? Is it skin, blood vessels, fat, or tendons?
Tendons.
That's correct.
That's correct.
Do you like to eat tendons? No, that's gross. Yeah, totally. True or false? An adult human body has over 500 bones.
False.
That's correct.
That's correct.
There's 206.
I like this 50-50 truth.
Yeah, those are my favorite too.
Yeah.
The muscles found in the front of your thighs are known as what?
Quads.
That's right.
Right.
Perfect.
Right.
Can you say that one again?
Yeah, quads.
Yeah.
We're just gonna keep it short. We're not gonna go into that.
Perfect. Thank you, Sam.
Absolutely.